The sensitization campaign announced by Minister Musa Echweru follows a lightning strike at Nawangoma Primary School in Budondo Sub-County, Jinja District, that killed 2 pupils instantly, injuring 8 yesterday. Minister Echweru blamed the incident on buildings which do not have lightning arresters and windbreakers.
It's a pity that we have lost life. It's a pity. But from every tragedy, there must be lessons. And those lessons must help us to prepare so that a repeat is not really allowed. And now what has happened as we talk now, close to about 9 health centers across the country have lost their roofs since it started raining just this year alone. And a number of schools, I have a huge file of schools that have been deroofed.
He said the Disaster Preparedness Ministry is now going to move out into the communities to sensitize them about the dangers of not safeguarding against lightning.
To sensitize the district managers, particularly on issues of disaster preparedness. It is to do with the lightning arresting, it is to do with the first aid on children, it is also to do with the question of now windbreakers in schools.
Lightning is the difference in potentiality between highly positively charged clouds and a highly negatively charged earth.
This build-up of high potential, or what we can call high charge, let's say a higher charge between the cloud up in the sky and the ground which is negatively charged, then you stand the risk of being a connection between that highly charged cloud and the highly negatively charged earth.
Benon TWINAMASIKO, a physicist at Makerere University, says lightning conductors are a must on buildings, but he also warns against taking shelter under trees.
Make sure that they install the lightning conductors. It's a simple copper wire which is having this, we call them spikes, and never should anyone take a shade under a tree when it is threatening to rain.
The engineers remember that it's unethical to certify a building which does not meet some of the requirements that are critical to prevent death.
Rural people tend to relate lightning strikes to traditional beliefs. While scientists do not agree with this notion, they do not dismiss it outrightly because of spiritualism.